Welcome student. Now see numericals based on van der Waals equation of state. First example, calculate the pressure exerted by 1 mole of carbon dioxide at 127 degrees Celsius when occupies a volume of 0.5 liter. Given van der Waals constant A 3.66 atm liter square per mole square inverse, B equals to, that is van der Waals constant B equals to 0.0428 liter per mole and R equals to 0.082 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Now in this example we have to calculate the pressure in atmosphere. Given data, temperature is given 127 degrees Celsius, means it will be 400 Kelvin. 127 plus 273, so many Kelvin, that's why 400 Kelvin, and occupies a volume, that is V equals to 0.5 liter, and given A equals to 3.88 atm atmosphere liter square mole raised to minus 2 and B equals to 0.0428 liter per mole, and R is also given as R equals to 0.082, so many liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Now van der Waals equation for n mole of gas is, what is the formula? P plus A n square upon V square into V minus NB, that is equals to nRT. It is van der Waals equation for n mole of gas. Now this is formula. But in example 1 mole of gas is given, that's why instead of n, if we place 1, then this example becomes P plus A upon V square, because n equals to 1 square, that is 1, into V minus B, because n equals to 1, that is equals to RT. Now in this formula all the terms except P, that is pressure, are known to you. That's why rearrange this equation. P plus A upon V square is equals to RT upon V minus B. Okay, here there is a multiplication sign, that's why when it comes to RHS it comes to denominator. Then P equals to, here plus sign, that's why RHS it becomes negative, RT upon V minus B minus A upon V square. Put all the values. If we put R, T, A, V and B, then P equals to, what is the value of R? It will be 0.082, temperature 400. Then upon V, V is nothing but volume, it will be 0.5. What is the value of B? B is given, it will be 0.0428 minus A. A means 3.66 upon V square means 0.5 square. Okay, after calculating this 0.8082 multiplied by 400, it will be 32.8. Then 0.5 minus 0.0428, it will be 0.4572 minus 3.66 upon 0.5 square means 0.25. Then after calculating this, 32.8 divided by 0.4572, it will be comes out to be 71.74. and this term 3.66 upon 0.25 becomes 14.64, and after this subtraction you will get the value of P as 57.10 or 57.1 so many atmospheres. In this way, quite simple numerical or example, only you must know the van der Waals equation. If you know it, then put here value of number of moles of gas, here 1, and remaining terms and so on. Pressure will be 57.1 atmosphere. This is the value of pressure. See second example on van der Waals equation of state. Calculate pressure exerted by 2 moles of water. Here water vapor gas is given, water vapor, and 2 moles of it in 20 liter at 100 degrees Celsius using ideal gas equation and by using van der Waals equation. Means you have to calculate pressure exerted by using ideal gas equation as well as by using van der Waals equation. First, for ideal gas, you know what is ideal gas equation? Ideal gas equation for n mole of gas is, what is it? PV equals to nRT. You have to calculate P, that's why P equals to nRT upon V. N number of moles given, what is it? 2 moles. What is the value of R? 0.082. What is the temperature? 100 plus 273, that's why 373 Kelvin upon volume. Volume is given as a 20 liters. After solving this, 2 multiplied by 0.082 multiplied by 373, then it will be comes out to be 61.17 upon 20, and it comes out to be 3.05 so many atmosphere. This is the value of pressure calculated by using ideal gas equation. Now second point, by using van der Waals equation. What is van der Waals equation? You know van der Waals equation for n mole of gas is, what is it? P plus A upon A into n square upon V square into V minus NB is equals to nRT. Now you have to calculate P. Again P plus A into n square upon V square. Here nRT upon V minus NB. Then again P equals to nRT upon V minus NB minus A into n square upon V square. As previous case, only you have to put the values of nRT, nV and B. That's why P equals to, how many number of moles of gas are there? 2. That's why 2 multiplied by 0.082 into temperature 373 upon V, volume is given as a 20 minus N 2 into B. What is the value of B? B is given 0.034, okay, minus A is given as a 5.52 into n square means 2 square upon V square means 20 square. Okay, after solving this, If you calculate by using calculator, 2 multiplied by 0.082 multiplied by 373 upon 20 minus so much, then after solving this you will get a value as a 3 atmosphere, 3.00 atmosphere. Means by using ideal gas equation as well as by using van der Waals equation, you will get the same value of pressure. Okay, in your book I think this value is given as 3.01. It is given as 3.01. No doubt it is a same 3.00 and 3.01 it is allowed. In this way, this is numerical based on the ideal gas equation as well as van der Waals equation. Very, very important. Only you have to see the terms given are in the same unit, means SI system or in a CGS system. Then and then use the formula, same formula you have to use. Learn this formula. For 1 mole, here value of N is 1 and it will be changes as given in the formula, as given in the example. Okay.